You are welcome once again. In today's video, I am going to take you through this method that can help you to make money or to get returns on your daily capital or your invested money. Any amount of money you invest will guarantee you some small profit. This video is educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor. I'm only showing you the way, so you can also do your research before you invest if you are interested in doing that. Today we have several ways of earning on Bybit. So if you have Bybit account, what you have to do is just to come to this side and click on Bybit Earn. Okay, but before, you should have what we called USDT in your account, because we are going to invest on stable coin. Okay, USDT in your account, because if you don't have it, that means you will have to invest in different currency, and the price or the price may decrease. Okay, if the price decreases, that's a disadvantage. That means you also lose your money. But if your money is in a stable currency form, that means you are good to go. You make little profit. So when you come to this side, you click on Bybit Earn. So when you click on Bybit Earn, you'll have a lot of things here. You see that here you just take and you get like 50% profit. This is Bybit for you, and here you get like 11.5% to one something. Then we have 11%. So this is 50% for 15 days, and 7.3%. This is flexible. Then we have 11.45 to 147% for 3 days, and then this one. So we are not going to invest in any of this one. We have to scroll down. Okay, I will explain better more of this into details in my next video. So subscribe to the channel. So what you have to do here is you scroll through. You can see that when you invest in Bitcoin, this is a yearly percentage. When you invest in Bitcoin, this is how much you make: 1.4%. That's flexible. Then 30 days you get 55 cents. Okay, that's 5% or so. And then we have Ethereum. Then when you go on flexible, this is how much you will make. That is flexible chain on chain. That's 7.3%. Okay, but the disadvantage is when you invest and the Ethereum decreases, you loses capital because the currency is in Ethereum. Then we have USDT, which is 7.07%. Then we have USDC, which is also 7.98%. Okay, then we have this coin, which is Avel, this coin, which is Avel, where we are having 50%. Okay, we have 50%, and then that's 15 days. So 7 to 15 days. That means when you stake your money, you have to wait for the next 7 days to 15 days before you can withdraw or get your money back. Atom, we have a whole lot of coins here that you can invest in. Okay, this is an investment opportunity. But today we are going to use USDT, and I'll explain into details how to do that. So you now click on the USDT. So when you click on it, you will see that they have this thing which is flexible. This is it, and then we have the percentage. Okay, so we are going to invest in any of this one. We have to click on flexible, because when you click on flexible, anytime you want your money, you are going to get it back. Anytime you want your money, you'll be able to withdraw. It doesn't have a minimum time. When you put on fixed, okay, when you put on fixed, that means you have to wait for some period of time. Okay, as you can see here. So when you put it on fixed, you have to wait for, maybe you choose 30 days, then you have to wait for 30 days. When you choose 180 days, this is 3% that you get. You have to wait for that 180 days. That's 6 months before you can take out your money. That's why I prefer to choose flexible. So when I choose flexible, it means I make the money that I make, I will be able to withdraw them daily. Okay, so whether you invest $5, $10, you make money. Okay, so let's say I want to invest $10. Okay, $10, this is how much I will be making every day. Okay, as you can see it in the green, that's how much you'll be making every day when you invest $10 on this platform. That's Bybit. And then we have $100. When you invest $100, that means you are making 0.01. So let's say you have some money that you deposited them here, you'll be making this 0.01, 0.01. Okay, let's see that for $500. Let's see if you deposit $500. This is how much you'll be making per day. How much you'll be making per day? That's 0.04. So let's do calculation and see how much you will make at the end of 1 month. So let's say we have that 0.04, 0.04 multiplied by I think 30 days. That's $1.2. Okay, that means if you invest $500, you get $1 added to your currency. Okay, this method is just like treasure bills and then other currencies that we invest in the banks, because it's just like the more you invest money, the more your income. So let's say someone invested $5,000, the person will be making 0.29, which is almost 3 cents. So 0.297, let's multiply that 0.297 by 30 days. So that means this is the amount of money the person will make. That's 8.91 for the next 30 days if the person invests 5,000 US dollar. Okay, and if you don't have that amount, this is just a way of getting small tokens on your stable coin. Okay, then after that you just click on here, then you click on stake. Okay, it's just that I don't have the enough capital, that's why you are seeing insufficient balance. That's why the stake button hasn't opened it. Okay, so that's how this one goes. Okay, so and when you put it on the FaceTime too, we have to click on it. When you put like saying this one, the minimum is 500 USD. So let's say we invest 5,000, that means at the end of the 30 days, this is just 30 days, this is how much you will make. That's $3.6, $3.6, which means this one the other one is better than choosing this first term. Okay, choosing this first term. So the 10, let's choose 180 days and see how much you will make per $5,000. That means if we choose 30 days or 160 days, this is how much we make. We make extra $80. As you can see it here, we make extra $80 on it. So that's how this one works. Let's say you have $50,000, you are getting closer to $1,000 at the end of this 6 months. So thank you very much. I will explain more and more into details on how to earn on Bybit. So thank you very much.